Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me in this painting course. In my previous video, we have discussed briefly the basic differences between oils and acrylics. In our today's video, we will discuss which equipments do you need for acrylics and oils. It's totally up to you which media do you use for your paintings. So without wasting any minute, let's start our today's video. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So the very first thing is the selection of paints. Whether you are using acrylics or oils, it's totally up to you. Here you can see I have a color palette in acrylics. I recommend to use old master palette like black, red, ultramarine blue, yellow and titanium white. It's optional to have green in your palette, but I don't recommend it. You can create this color using blue and yellow. This white shade is 75 ml tube and it is 30 ml, so it's totally up to you in that which quantity is suitable for you. So here it is 12 ml tube. I recommend to the beginners to buy 12 ml tubes of acrylics. As in practice, same color palette works for oils like black, red, blue, yellow and white. So this is the basic color palette you need for every color you want to create in oils and also in acrylics. Next is the brush. I will recommend to use synthetic brushes to all the beginners. You do not need to buy all these brushes in your beginning. Buy a flat brush and a filbert brush, or you can also buy a round brush. And then when you have grip on these brushes, you can add different brushes to your collection. In other brushes or advanced brushes, you may have liner brushes, fan brushes, round tipped brushes, dagger brush, flat and much more. If you want to learn how to choose brushes in an effective way, then you must watch my video which I have already uploaded in my acrylic painting series. But for complete video, you must go to the link which I have given in description. In today's video, I'll focus on brushes because many of my viewers has asked me to help them out in selecting brushes. So I decided to summarize some tips to choose a paintbrush. The very next thing is the palette. Here you can see this is my palette which I use for acrylics. And when I have to work with oils, I use old table mat, or you can use any dish or tray. You can also use a glass. So for palettes you have many options. Specifically for acrylics, I use this ice cube tray. This tray saves lots of my paint from drying out. So in my next video, I will tell you how you can use this tray as wet palette for your acrylics. Next thing is canvas. Here you can see I have different canvases. It is 6 by 6 inches canvas. In marketplace, you can find linen canvas and cotton canvas. Beginners should start with smaller canvases instead of larger ones, because smaller canvases are easy to cover up and for practice you can create your own canvas at home, and if your canvas is not primed well, you can prime it using gesso. To learn the way to create your own canvas and gesso at home, go to the links in description. So all these are the basic things you need for acrylics or oils. Instead of canvas, you can also use any other base like wood, cloth, or whatever you want to paint on it. Palette knives, an airtight jar to pour turpenoid in it. Turpenoid will be used once you did tighten the lid to avoid the odor of turpenoid, to dilute oil paints, and to wash oil brushes. An old mug or a glass or jar for acrylics, a spray bottle, and yes, liquid dishwash to clean the brushes you use for acrylics and oils. I will recommend to use cotton cloth as a duster. This duster will be helpful for you while drying out your wet brushes. In this video, I have demonstrated you all the equipments, the basic equipments you need to start with painting. I hope you liked my video. Give thumbs up to it and share it with other painting lovers. Keep watching my channel. Stay blessed. Take care.